Yep.
We're putting swivel assembly together today. Before you start, make sure all your parts are clean. And we start by pressing the bearings onto the shaft. Now, we're using two different types of bearings. Using two of the 7204 bearings. We prefer to use SKF. Now these are thrust bearings, and this is the position that it will sit in. Thrust is coming downwards, and then make sure you put the bearings in the correct way. See there, got the bearing and the rail here, so the thrust will come from this direction. So put that one on. Make sure the shaft is sitting center. First one. That's the second one. Put the spacer in. And the next one we put in is the top bearing. We only use one of, and it's the 6204. Now this one has seal on either side, but because you'll be packing grease inside the spacer here, so grease will get fed down. You also want grease to be fed up. You're going to take one of these seals out with a pick. Obviously make sure the seal is on top. Okay, now that's done. Next this is the bottom cap of the swivel assembly, which has the grease seal. Now we don't have the rubber ones where you just push in today, we've got the steel ones, so we have to press these in. That's it. Now, I'll put the trick before we carry on. We'll pack this with grease. I normally use a grease gun, but unfortunately today our grease gun is in the truck, in the Volvo, and it's at the shop. So just have to pack it by hand. Normally if you're going to pack it with the grease gun, I normally go 27 squeezes of the trigger. Now that's the bottom, as the grease nipple is at the bottom. So when it goes in, when you do pump with grease, it's going to be in line with the spacer. And just make sure that the hole of the spacer is in line with the grease nipple, just so when you do pump it with grease, it goes inside a lot easier. Carried away there. Let's put some more grease in there. It's not the way I like to do it, but it's getting a bit messy. Next we put the bottom cap on. Make sure you got blue lube on the thread. I've already put it on the inside of the cap. Okay, next to go on, the brass disc. Now that's showed you in another video. It's where the swivel seal seats in there. There it goes in. Next to the swivel seal housing, got the knockout washer. Make sure it goes the correct way. Seal inside. And then the top cap. Already put blue lube on there on the inside thread. Okay, once that's on, just got to give the caps a bit of a tighten up. There we have it. It's a complete swivel assembly. Now, just give you show you. This is the vertical shaft. So it fits in there. Make sure you got blue lube on this thread, because it will bind, and then you won't get it out. So it fits in there, and then it screws on like so. Now, the thing you have to watch out for, you'll be getting a few batches of vertical shafts where the shaft of the Swivel Assembly is not going all the way in. And you can't force it because it will bind and then you won't get it out. So we've had to file just around here, and you can see on this old one here we've filed it away so that it will fit, slide in there. So it's just a heads up. Okay, that's it.